Hi friends, welcome to Educare 247. Today we are back with concept number 9 for CAD Concept Express series, and we have brought you one of the most important concept of geometry. This is a combination of geometry and PNC that I'll show you. Alright, and this question is the most important question that appears in XAT, CAT and IFT level exams. Number of regions formed. So many students communicated with us via Telegram because we have a dedicated MBA preparation group on Telegram. So they had communicated with us regarding this concept and requested us to bring a very simplified form of this concept because this is very frequent in your examinations and one must really be aware about how to solve such questions. So without wasting any time, let's begin with most important concept of geometry. So what is this question type? Maximum number of region in which n non-parallel lines can divide a plane. So particularly I'm going to talk about a circle over here. Alright, so they will give you n lines, they will give you a circle and those lines will be non-parallel, and basically the question will be in how many regions that circle will be divided into, right, using this n non-parallel lines. So just for explanation purpose, if I tell you, if I draw a line like this is dividing this complete plane into two parts, right? Two regions, 1 and 2. Alright, one on the left and one on the right, you can see of the screen. If I use two lines, so let's suppose I use these two lines, it is dividing this plane into 4 regions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I use 3 lines, alright? So these lines will be placed such that maximum regions are formed. So this is the way you'll have maximum regions. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So for n equals to 1, number of regions formed are 2. For n equals to 2, number of regions formed are 4. And n equals to 3, that is number of lines are 3. Number of regions, maximum region formed are 7. Alright, I just wanted you to understand this. Now let's move ahead and see how we can deduce a proper pattern with respect to this. So let's suppose we have this circle, maximum number of regions found by n lines in a circle. So what I'll do is I'll create a table over here. Alright, so I'll create a table in which, so we will have line over here. Alright, that is the number of line, region over here. Alright, and this will be one more column for, let's suppose, keep it like this. Alright, it will denote the number of calculations. Right, so when there are 0 lines, alright, when we have 0 lines, number of regions formed is 1 because this is a complete circle. So write down 1 over here. Alright, and just take this 1 over here. When the number of lines is 1, so let us draw one line over here. Alright, let's suppose this be the line. So now the number of regions is this 1 and 2, right? So 2 regions are formed, correct? Right, with the help of one line you are able to form 2 regions, right? So here I write this one, I take as it is plus 1. Here there is an addition of 1, right? So we can write over here extra region added, right, for this column. So now let's suppose there are 2 lines. Alright, we'll draw another line now. So how many regions are there? There are 4 regions now. 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So total number of regions are 4, which can be written over here as this 1. Alright, and this can be written as 1 plus 3 and 3 can be written as 1 plus 2. Alright, just follow what I'm doing over here. So now we draw the third line, right? So let's suppose the third line be this. So how many regions are formed now? We'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So a total of 7 regions are formed. So I will again write this as 1 as it is, and this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this adds up to 7. Right, now you would be understanding the pattern that we are having over here slowly, right? So let's suppose we have 4 lines, so you do not need to draw over here. So the number of regions over here will be 11. Why? We just need to add one extra 4 over here, right? Because this is going on increasing. So hence, if we have n number of lines, alright, the number of regions will be 1 plus summation of n. Alright, this is the formula. So maximum number of regions formed by n lines in a circle, what was the formula we saw? 1 plus summation of n. And summation of n can be written as 1 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. This is as simple as it goes. Alright, I showed you the practical derivation also of this thing. So let us have a look at the question, and questions will be of this level only. Do not expect much complex level because 99% of the students would not be knowing this formula and this method, right? Find the maximum number of regions formed by 4 lines through a circle. We'll just apply the formula and not draw the diagram and lines and count the regions and all that stuff, right? So what is the formula? It is 1 plus summation of n. So 1 plus summation of 4 over here, right? Summation of 4. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 11. Hence, the maximum number of regions formed by 4 lines through a circle is 11. Next question. Find the maximum number of regions formed by 7 straight line cuts through a pizza. So, what they've done is the same question. They framed it in a storyline manner. Alright, so pizza we are cutting in a straight lines, and they've asked how many maximum number of regions can be formed. Again, the formula will be same. It would be 1 plus summation n. It's 1 plus summation 7. Alright, so 1 plus 7 into 7 plus 1, that is 8, divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So it will be 1 plus 28, which is 29. Hence, the maximum number of regions formed by 7 straight line cuts through a piece are 29. So that's it in this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this concept. This is a very important concept. Please note it down in your important notes. Also, we are coming up with a CAT mentorship program. So stay tuned to our channel and keep yourself updated with all the latest and important concepts as well as the news that we are going to give you. Alright, thank you and happy learning.